Hey friends, I hope you're doing well. Wherever you are, whichever part of the world you're in, I hope you're safe, I hope your family is safe, and I hope the people around you, the loved ones around you, are safe as well. We undoubtedly are going through a tremendous amount of change right now. The world, the entire world, is undergoing a lot of pressure and testing as part of this overwhelming COVID-19 pandemic. As healthcare systems are pressured, as our capacity and our ability to withstand is tested, we are all going through a huge sense of personal trauma and personal loss. Many people are not feeling well. Many others have lost their jobs, and many others have closed the door to their businesses. No matter who you are, a law firm, an accounting firm, a restaurant, a juice shop, or any other place that has been shut down as a result of COVID-19, you definitely are stressed. In this time of stress and unprecedented change that's taking place right now, we must recognize and understand that we have to think bigger. We cannot constrict our minds to be pressured into thinking that this is the end, that this is our capacity to withstand. We are better than this. We can do much more than this into creating a better tomorrow. Changing your mindset is the first thing to do right now. Start thinking about the future, because we will definitely overcome this huge hurdle that we're facing right now. People have done it throughout the ages, and so will we. We are at a much better place than we were 100 years ago or 200 years ago, because the access to healthcare is here. Technologies such as AI and many others can help us accelerate the process of finding cures and curing disease. But that has to be done, and we have to undergo this process. So hang in there wherever you are, whether you're in Madrid or Manila or Barcelona or whatever part of the world you're in. Hang in there and take care, first of all, of your family, of your friends, your neighbors, your employees, people that you love. Second thing is the process of recovery. As a business owner, as an organization, you must start thinking about recovery right now. Please do not leave it till tomorrow. Don't leave it till they find a cure for the virus. Start thinking about the steps you need to take right this second, because time is very short. If you start the process of recovery and bouncing back right now, you'll be in a much better shape and much better position to recover in actuality when things become better. You see, it takes time for things to take effect. And right now is your chance to start thinking about the process of recovery. Now, many of us are depressed and we're sad because life is passing us through unprecedented things right now. But you have to come out of it. You see, in the earlier part of my life, I went through a tremendous amount of change. I lived in the world's most militarized zone, and armed conflict in my country created an undaunting level of change and stress and trauma for me. But I had to rise to the occasion and think beyond the circumstances that I was in. Start thinking about the bigger picture. Start thinking about the things that you need to do. Create a plan every single day. Create a plan for recovery and start thinking about how to execute that plan. You know, this time is also a great time to plan things that you have not been able to plan, because you have some extra amount of time available. Work extra hard on figuring out the next steps of your life, whether it's reinventing your career, whether it's creating a new process, writing a book, reading a book, or any other thing that you've been putting off. Something that I'm passionate about is bringing people together, is helping people understand change. And for this reason, I'm organizing a series of live stream events that'll be broadcast on Facebook Live, YouTube Live, and LinkedIn Live simultaneously. In fact, there's a couple of series that I've started. First of all, every Wednesday, I bring together one single industry and different experts from that industry to talk about the process of recovery, to talk about the impact of COVID-19 on industry, the steps we can take, and how we can recover best. What are the best practices some of the industries and companies are following to recover? These live streams are a great learning lesson for anyone who wants to learn about best practices, about steps other people are taking, and to be part of a thriving community. I'm also organizing live streams internationally to address the needs of different regions, different stakeholders, because that's where my clients live. I want you to be part of these live streams and view them every Wednesday whenever they're broadcast, 12 noon Eastern Standard Time. Start learning. Start being part of a community. Start building a support system that you can be part of. I hope you're able to join me, because unless we don't come together, we're not going to be successful in anything we do. Let's unite in this time of challenge, in this time of heavy pressure, in this time of uncertainty, and come together as people and build each other and help each other become stronger. To join my live stream, visit my website, iankhan.com/COVID-19. Take care, and I'll see you soon. Thank you, my friends, and you take care.